My last video mentioned Tesla, we are in the two triangle. One is on the monthly chart, so you can check that. We are still inside the big triangle, not yet breakout. But the daily chart, this triangle, basically we have a breakout basically on Monday. Okay, so what is next? Can we buy right now? I want to give you the insights from traditional technique to my indicator, okay, to tell you how to buy, how to sell, and should you buy today, okay? So click like, subscribe, share with your friend. This is the daily chart. Now we look at the traditional way to see first. Usually when they break out triangle or break out one area or break out the resistance, they go up and they will come back down to test the support, okay? They will come back down to test the support. And when they come back down to test the support, this is strong. If they never come back to test the support, they cannot really go too far away. So it's better they come back down. So our next opportunity basically is when they come back down. So when they come back down, I want to show you these two candles first. Okay, basically you have on Monday and Tuesday. It's a very interesting candle. You can see the wick is much longer than the body. And I want you to learn this technique because you don't need to buy any of my indicator. You can use it for weekly chart, for monthly chart, and this is quite powerful. For daily chart, it's not that powerful, but if this candle, the pattern happen on weekly chart or monthly chart, boom, it will save you a lot of money. Okay, basically, what does it mean, this candle? The long first thing, the first candle must have a long upper wick. Okay, it means this have a resistance, they have some selling pressure. When they go up the price, they sell, 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 sell. That's why they have a long upper candle, upper wick. The second candle has to come with a long lower wick. Why? Because when they come back down, they have a rebounds or they have a buying power to buy, 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 buy. But remember, this one is a rebounds. It's not yet. This is a like okay, they come down and then they come up again. This is a rebounds. So this very possible to tell you, hey, this is a trend reversal because it happened on daily chart. The trend reversal is smaller than the weekly chart or monthly chart, the power, okay? Another thing I want you to see, this is the candle today. We still have a long upper wick. You see here? So do we need to sell all the stock or what? This video, I'm not telling you to sell everything. No. I just want to tell you they go up, they will come back down, and this would be our second buying opportunity. Okay? Now we look at my indicator. So my indicator, the easy one, look at the blue line first. I, I, the blue line. I always emphasize the blue line because the blue line is the regular time frame. This one to tell you the trend. We buy when they change the trend. Okay, so you don't have the one who doesn't have my indicator, you probably buying on this candle. But the one who have my indicator, basically you buy at the lower point, such as, so I buy at the lower point, I buy here. I buy here and here. I add again here. I add on these two candle. Okay, so because my indicator tell me the trend is getting strong and basically they have a support of this purple. This purple is a longer time frame. This is a perfect buying point, not here. Okay, basically from here to here is quite like $20 already. Okay, the second thing, one audience asked me, is it bullish on the halfway? And when they are on this candle on that day, I received the message. Am I bullish for Tesla? Basically, you can see the blue line, they change the direction from downward trend to upward here. Okay? So basically, we buy when we change the trend. So if you follow my channel, you should take the action right away rather than today. Okay? So if you miss my video, please click like, subscribe, and put on the bell to tell you the alert, hey, I give you the video. Because sometimes it's right away you need to buy on that day. Otherwise, your cut loss price is a bit too far. Or you get my indicator to do it yourself. Okay, so now back to the point. Am I bullish? Yes, right now this is bullish. And how about the money? I want to see the money. Money is always the factor to push up the price. Look at this YM big buy. Basically, today it's getting very slim. So you need to be careful. This one, these two candles, they follow. You can see the body is getting slower and slower. What is YM big buy? This track the big volume buying and selling. This is a net. So green is to buy, the only big volume. The red is to sell, only the big volume. They filter the volume size. Okay, so basically today we have a very slim green. This means the big volume buying is reducing a lot. Okay, and we have these two candles, so you need to be careful. Do we need to sell everything? I tell you, we are still in the bullish side. We're still bullish, okay? But if you have too much or if you want to add your position, first wait to add because it's no buy signal. No buy signal. If you use my indicator to buy, if you buy with purple, you sell with purple. If you buy with blue, you sell with blue. Now we don't have a sell signal. But if you want to buy other stock, or if you have too many Tesla stocks, you can also reduce here. Okay, it's a bit advanced. It's not yet confirmed. Have to tell you, this is a traditional method of these two candles. Is it possible to have a fixed signal? Yes, because it's a daily chart. Yes, but I make this video is not for you to sell, but I want to tell you, don't buy today. Don't buy today. Wait for it come back and then we buy. Okay, so this is the video today. If you have any question, you can give me a comment. I will read the comment. And if you want me to analyze another well-known stock, you feel free to put it in the comment as well. I will have a look. And if it's worth to show it here, it has to be well-known. I don't want to recommend anything dodgy here. Okay, have to be well-known. And I see you in the next video. And you, by the way, the YM chip entry, they enter very perfectly because many people ask me about this indicator. This one is my favorite indicator. This one basically to tell you the institution buying. The institution buying, they always buy at the relative low. Look at here. Look at here. Look at here. Okay? So it only happened at the low. This is not low. Okay, this is not low. This is low. Around 220, this level. Okay? So now it's 341. Okay? So by the way, we are just at the beginning of the bullish. So we just need to wait the next buy opportunity. Okay, so click like, subscribe, share with your friend. Your support means a lot to me. I see you in the next video. Bye.